Hi everybody, today we are going to see how to install VirtualBox in our operating system. VirtualBox is nothing but it's a virtual machine which we are going to install in the main operating system to use different platforms. So by the way, this is a session 3 class. So in the session 1 we have seen ethical hacking introduction. In the session 2 we have seen network basics. This is session 3. Now we are going to set our environment to further practicals in the further sessions. So now we are going to install VirtualBox in our operating system, and then we are going to install Kali Linux. Then we are going to install Tor browser in the Kali Linux. Then we are going to install VTEL book in the Kali Linux. These are the things we are going to do in this session. So in this session, the first part is, this session will be goes to some parts, but the first part is how to install VirtualBox in operating system. Before that, I want to say one thing, that what is VirtualBox? VirtualBox is nothing but it is a open source platform for the use different operating systems to install in that VirtualBox to use. It means you are using the one operating system on your main computer main system, but in that you want to install the Linux or the some other Ubuntu or some other platforms to use, but the main operating system is Windows. So that time, if you install the VirtualBox, in that VirtualBox you are going to install, you can install many platforms whichever you like. So this is the benefit we have, but it is very user friendly and open source software. So let's start our installation. First you go to this section. If you have the Windows operating system, you can select the Windows host, and then if you are using the Linux distro, you can select the Linux distro. If you are selecting the OS Mac OS, you can select the Mac OS. So after clicking this, you are able to download the VirtualBox software, then click the next and next, and then you are going to see this icon, and this main page you will able to see. Here, this is my VirtualBox operating system. In this, I have installed 3 Kali Linux, Windows, and Metasploitable. The 3 operating systems I have installed. Now, what is the settings here? In Kali Linux, after installation, I have done some settings. So, what are the settings I have done means, just go to the settings. Just see, these are the things you are able to find. You can see the settings. You can see the display, system settings, processor, acceleration, and the system's display, and the storage, the audio, network, serial ports, USB, shared files, and user interface. These are the settings you can do to for your further user friendly to connect your operating systems, and if you have any internet connection issues, you can go and set into the network, set into the bridge mode. It is in the NAT mode. You can set into the bridge mode or whatever it may be. So these are the settings you are going to do here. So this is about the Kali Linux. I already installed the Kali Linux in my VirtualBox. For you, I am going to show you how to install Kali Linux in VirtualBox. This is about VirtualBox environment. Just click the new, and then click the Kali Linux, and then click the Linux. Then go to the Debian 64. Sorry, Debian 64. Then next. If you select the RAM, how much GB you want to keep. My platform is 16 GB laptop, so I am going to keep 3 GB. Create VirtualBox hard disk now, and image, disk image, dynamically allocate. You can set your hard disk capacity, and then create the VirtualBox. It was created here. Then you go to the start. After clicking the start, some options it will ask. So let's see, you go here and select the folder, and then click the add. Then go to there, where is the Kali Linux I have downloaded in my operating system. Then choose, then click the start. It will start the installation. This is very simple steps we are going to install the Kali Linux in our VirtualBox environment. These things will happen in the VirtualBox environment. So see, the installation is started. It is asking the English, United States, American English. It will ask further, and you are able to see this type of fully running operating system. So how it will look means, when you, after installing the operating system, you are able to see this type of Kali Linux. in your operating system, because that while installing it will take some time. That's why I already installed and I have done some changes. So this is the main operating system like Kali Linux you are able to see. And here we are going to perform practicals, and we are going to do some further attacks and further practicals on the further sessions. So this is about the what is installation, what is VirtualBox, and what is Kali Linux, and how to install the Kali Linux in the VirtualBox. So guys, this is about the small description about how to install the Kali Linux in the VirtualBox. And if you have any doubts and any problem you are getting while installing the VirtualBox or the Kali Linux in your operating system in the VirtualBox, so please comment me. I am able to solve your problem as soon as possible. So whatever the problems you are facing while installing or whatever the doubts you have on the tutorial, please comment me. I will reply your comments as soon as possible. So please don't hesitate to comment. By the way, thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe my channel and share and like my channel. So thanks for your support.